Hello everyone, Hatem Ali for Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you the Shure speaker. This is SE215, okay? They say this is sound solution earphones. Listen guys, before I start to talk about this, let me explain for you some important points about Shure generally. This company did not create speakers that you can take them to gym, or you can take them to swimming pool, or like they are not water resistant, okay? All them speakers not water resistant, but they have the most and the best sound quality that you will ever hear it, okay? No compare with Bang & Olufsen or any of this, or Zebra, or all this shit. Listen to me, when you come to Shure, you come to hear a real voice. You will hear, when you hear songs generally, you back hear it in Shure, you feel that you hear stinks in the song you didn't hear them generally. You feel that the guy singing in your ears. Listen to me, I'm telling you something. I'm not talking about headphones, I'm talking about earphones. Because headphones in Bang & Olufsen H9 is cool, but in Shure they have also headphones are more better than Bang & Olufsen. Guys, I have tried Bang & Olufsen E8. Yesterday I go to Boston to receive them earbuds. Everyone know the E8, the last one. They are wireless. Trash sound as fuck. I didn't like them. Anyway, this is Shure, this is 215. There is still more strong than this one. Too bad that this one is wire. I don't know why Shure did not create wireless speaker. For example, for people that you can take it to gym, like Bang & Olufsen, like Boss, like Samsung. Why do you not create a wireless one? Honestly, with speaker, don't think about to take it to gym. It will bother you. It's just for games at home, for the musician, for professional, or if you want to hear cool music at home. You got me? If you want to hear nice music at home, this is your speaker. Do not think about, guys, this cable you can put out it. I'll show you now. When I saw it, I saw that you can put out this cable and this one charge. I can take it with me, so I bought it, and I discovered that it's not like this. Look, this speaker is wait, let me make for you focus. This speaker is designed in United States. Here they write is designed in USA, but it's made in China. If this speaker they created in factories in America, it will cost minimum $500. In China, workers are cheap and no tax like in America. Anyway, let's see the box. Let's see how they say. This is this one. See guys, this that cable. Wait, let me do focus. I say, wow, so I can move the cable and the speakers will work. I say, wow, I believe this, I did a stupid mistake. Anyway, let's unbox this and let's see. Now I will try. Okay, let's unbox this bad boy. Actually guys, I unboxed it already in Post. You know why? Because in Post I have to check it, because I ordered it from a shop and it may not work. If here in Ukraine will not work, they will tell you lick your back, which means forget it. It came with her box. Here, this one, it's from material. Inside this box, let me explain you. You have this one too. This is made from gum. This is you can put them. I think this one could work with you in gym. They will stuck in your ears, okay? This is without filter. Look, they have this, and this is the box, okay? And they have this one. Look, this one. Listen, there is without filter, as you see here, okay? And there is another one I will show you. It's with filter, okay? This I will show you now. This line here, I will show you why this looks like bin. This one for clean, and for grab the filter from inside. You got me? One side for grab filter, one side for clean, to clean the speaker from dirtiness and like this. That will deliver for you the best sound quality, okay? So this is about this. We have here, this is the, let's see together. It's kind of catalogs, this is catalog, how to use, how to clean. You can see it, to be honest with you. This is another catalog they explain for you. This is how to register online that your product will be registered. And this is another one for it's talk about if you have complaints or something, but this is by Chinese language, you're not gonna understand anything. Here they explain you important points. You should see it here in this introduction. This looks like magazine, not it's like newspaper. You know what's all this? Anyway, it's nice. You should get a look about it. Okay, let's just show you everything. So anyway, let's go to the sound, because I want to test it for you guys, and I don't want to make the video long about you. Okay. Here, this one they give you here. Focus here. This is with filters. Okay. This one, this is one. The one here is without filters. Okay. The one here with filter. Listen to me. Without filter, you're gonna hear sound more closer to your ears. But with filter, little bit far away, but more clean and clear to your ears. Okay, let's get a look to this bad boy. Let's put out it in the place. I will tell you something. The cable is really nice quality. Okay, this is as you see here. You know, guys, why they make for you this one removable? Why you can just grab it and why you cannot grab it? This is for you to, if this cable fucked up with you, sorry for the word, if this cable screwed up with you, no, let's say fucked up with you, okay? If this cable fucked up with you, that you don't have to change all speaker, just put out it and change it with another one. You know, when I saw it in internet, I saw that the I say, wow, so I can grab it, I can work with this wireless. So all them speakers are not wireless. See, I'm gonna open. Okay, let's open any song. Okay, let's make sound. YouTube with his silliness advertisement 24 hours. Guys, you hear the sound from here? Oh my god. Guys, you hear even sound from here? So looks so beautiful sound. Let me hear it in my ears, pointing on me. Listen to me, guys. This is not the size for my ears. This is not the right size, but just I'm gonna try to show you. You should hold it like this. That will take shape of your ears. Hold it like this for 5 seconds. Sounds really great. Forget it. To be honest with you, forget it. No Bang & Olufsen, no Boss, no any shit. Wait, look. Wait, this will fall down. Oh, my neck was about to break. No, this will not fall down. But it's not for gym, I'm telling you. Now, sound is so great. To be honest with you guys, sound, I don't want to tell you. For earphones, if I will compare it with headphones, it's gonna be so great. You know, and listen, if I compare it with headphones, okay? If I compare it to headphones more strong. But not in any headphone. I mean brand headphone, like Schneider, like Bang & Olufsen, like something brand. But if I would bring for you also headphone, sure, it will beat. But this one, as for earphones, and this is still not nothing. There is one SE215 cost $1,000. It's amazing sound. It's really amazing sound. It's my next video for you. I will show you the one that cost $1,000. Still more strong than this one. I wish that they make it that you can hear without this cable. It's wireless. I wish they Shure make wireless one. I will buy. Okay, guys, this was my view about the speakers. It's amazing. I'm so sad that this the Shure. Let me show them finally. I'm so sad about this Shure that they not create speaker wireless for like Bang & Olufsen E8 or like Boss Sound Sport, the last one, or like Samsung Gear Icon. I mean, one without cable, wireless, or one even with cable around your neck. I wish you one day will create like this speakers, but too bad all of them are. You see, guys, even her cable is changing the screen. Look. Yeah, her cable's like fingers, you know, it's changing the screen. Look. Wow, cool. This is showing you how nice quality for the cable. Look, it's changed the screen. Look. Let's press play. Yeah. Oh, it's damn. So, guys, I'm telling you, these speakers are something else. I mean, really, it's really so cool. And for her price, it cost like $150. It's not a big deal. So if you want to hear the best sound, and but too bad you cannot take it with you to gym. You cannot take it with you to anywhere. You can take it with you to park. You got me. To museum, to some place, to place you're going to rest, to go to somewhere you want to hear music at home, play games with the best performance of games. This is your speaker, but too bad it's not for gym. But anyway, guys, I'm telling you, this is something else. It's not like what you hear every time. You know, there's also other brand, is nice speaker, but you will not find it a lot. Her name called Azona. This company did not create a lot of speakers, but they have nice speakers. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you again in another video about the other. There's Shure SE215 SE215 cost $1,000. I'm gonna buy it and I will show you the real quality. This is the real speakers there. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you again in another video with Hatman for objection. And don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up and put like or put thumbs down as you wish. Okay, and peace and love for everyone.